Today we're going to look at counting in a different way. Instead of counting this pile right here, instead of counting this pile by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Instead of counting that pile by ones, today we're going to learn a different way to quickly count big groups of counters and or different pieces or objects. First, what we're going to do is we are going to put these counters into a group or groups of 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's one group of 10. And these counters over here, we're going to call them our extra pieces. So we do not have enough in this group to make another group of 10. So what we're going to do first is we're going to circle our group of 10. So we have 10, and then we're going to count these ones by ones. This would be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, if we want to take this a step farther, we can now transfer this information into a place values chart. Today we're just going to be looking at the ones and the tens place. Let's first think in our head, how many groups of tens do we have circled? In our case here, we only have one group of 10 circled. How many ones or extra pieces are there? If we count them again, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 pieces extra. So we want to write a 5 in the ones place. When you put the 1 and 5 together, that makes the number 15. And if you remember as we counted, this was 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So by putting them into groups of 10, we can see that there are 15. And also by putting that information into a place values chart, we can again see that there are 15. Let's try it with a greater number of counters. This time we're going to take all these counters right over here, and we're going to use all of these counters and put all of these counters into groups of 10. So we're not going to touch this first group we have. Now we're going to count all these counters together. So here's one group of 10. Let's make another one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have another group of 10. Let's go ahead and circle that group. Okay, and we have enough counters here to continue counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here is another group of 10. Okay, now these pieces, let's count them to see if these counters equal a group of 10. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, this group does not equal 10. So we cannot circle it because it does not make one full group of 10. So now looking here, we no longer only have one group of 10. How many groups do we have? We have 1, 2, 3 groups of 10. So let's just erase this 1. And we're going to put a 3 in there. And now let's look over here at our extras. or we would call them ones, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we no longer have 5 extra pieces, we have 6 extra pieces. So now again, this number changes from 5 to 6. And if you look at the place values chart, the number now reads 36. Let's count our pegs by tens and then by ones to make sure that we did this correctly. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. Okay, doing it that way we counted correctly. Let's just individually count each of these pieces to 36 to make sure we did for sure come up with 36. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. We do. We for sure have 36 pieces. Okay, I'm going to make this one more time. We're going to try it one more time just to make sure that everybody gets the hang of it. So over here I have a few extra counters, so we're just going to put a few more counters out on the table here. And now we're going to put those extra 6 pieces we had back into this pile. We're going to keep our 3 groups of 10 alone, and we're going to count. We might have to squeeze them in here so we don't run out of room. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're running out of a little room here. So now we're going to circle that one because there's another group of 10. Okay. And let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here is another group of 10. Okay, and let's count this group one more time. It looks like we may have enough for one more group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. We were able to squeeze all of them on here. So now we have another group of 10. These pieces right here are going to end up being our extras this time. Okay, so now first what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to erase this place values chart because we know that this place values chart is incorrect. Okay, and we know that this number is going to get greater because I added more counters. So first things first, this time, instead of counting the tens first, let's count the ones first. So we would look over here for our extra pieces, and for our ones we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 extra pieces. So we're going to write this over here in the ones column. And then we're going to look up here and we're going to count how many groups of 10 do we have this time. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 groups of 10s. So this time we have 64 total counters sitting on this desk. Now that was a lot easier than counting by ones this time. Let's quickly go ahead and count this by tens to show you that truly we do have 64 counters sitting out here. It goes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, and 64. Very good. I hope this was a help to you.